Assalamu alaikum, my name is Pro Amine. I am going to show you how to make board PCB type RF antenna with high quality at your home. This is for students. In fact, there are many students ask me to give them my own technique that make me proud of them. PCB RF antenna. What does it mean exactly? It is mean the board bring different form which simulate the type of the signal, so to speak, such Wi-Fi and so on. What is goal from this video? We simply you could to test your new antenna with only one day. Anyway, let's begin.
The necessary tools for making a PCB antenna board at home, which are laid out on the table and will be mentioned step by step. However, it should be noted not to use the household iron method as it is not accurate and can damage the outer layer traces instead. Utilize the Pro Amine technique, which has proven its effectiveness in accurately manufacturing PCB antenna boards at home. You can be assured that the PCB antenna board will function perfectly. Step 1. Design and generate and export of files. Electronic system design and generate and export a file PDF PCB or FileScriber by Proteus software.
Step 2. Exposure mask by Epson L805 Ink printer, and then density spray to improve, well, density. Printing 1 copy high density black color by Epson L805 Ink printer on inkjet transparency film. And as there is note, don't using laser printer at all. The problem Epson L805 Ink is so expensive, $700. I am going to give you a solution with Canon MG-455 printer, about $40, or like this printer, but use technical that show you in video.
Step 3. PCB raw material. We must use original PCB raw material. This important to get high quality, and then cutting on the table saw with a diamond coated blade.
Step 4. Exposing the PCB material in my UV by using 400-watt projector lamps. Exposing the raw materials of PCB stuck with the transparent film on side copper surface of the panel using 400-watt projector lamps for 9 minutes, exactly within distance between PCB board and projector lamps 30 centimeters. Pro Amine noticed that when using 400-watt projector lamps, UV, the positive objective of using this tool, it possesses high light intensity with a balanced distribution of light evenly on all sides of the angles. Additionally, the exposure time can be extended to 2 minutes, and its cost is only $30. Moreover, it is not harmful to the eyes as it emits low ultraviolet rays, unlike those sold elsewhere a company like CIF, which can be dangerous to the eyes and must be covered and positioned precisely at the low level of the light tubes. For lithography UV, this indicates a strict adherence to the exposure time. This may damage to the PCB board, and as well as is so expensive, more $400.
Step 5. Revealing and develop by revelator. Sodium hydroxide NaOH. Duration 30 seconds. Revealing or expose the layer PCB of the transparent film on the raw materials of PCB by revelator. Sodium hydroxide NaOH or positive developer revelator that is mixing with water. Leave it for 20 minutes. And enter PCB board within the solution. Slowly move it on face copper for 30s using like makeup brush until shows us PCB trace of transparent film as if by magic, so to speak. And then wash it directly with water. Note, he used to use unclogged pipes powder.
Step 6. Etch by ferric chloride FeCl. Developing the solution through chemical etching by ferric chloride FeCl. Enter PCB board within the solution. Slowly move it on face copper with using like makeup brush until shows us PCB trace copper, which exist as black tracks in the transparent film, and then wash it directly with water. Important notice, this is PCB board that he used PCB raw materials, is not original backers, he had no else choose. Whilst second-old PCB board is original and have about 10 years ago, there is a difference in quality, isn't it?
Step 7. Exposing the PCB material in my UV by using 400-watt projector lamps again. Exposure or exposing the raw materials of PCB stack with the transparent film on side copper surface of the panel using 400-watt projector lamps for 12 minutes exactly within distance between PCB board and projector lamps 30 centimeters.
Step 8. Revealing and develop by revelator sodium hydroxide NaOH again duration 1 minute. Revealing or expose the layout PCB to get trace copper when the photoresist off by revelator sodium hydroxide NaOH or positive develop a revelator and enter PCB board within the solution. Slowly move it on face copper for 3 minutes using light makeup brush until shows us PCB trace copper when to get the photoresist off, and then wash it directly with water.
Step 9. Coating the PCB with a thin layer of acrylic plastic coating in palce solder mask, applying a thin layer of transparent or use any matte color acrylic plastic coating to the board PCB by spray matte color. Wear solder on holes or pads after then, commonly known as solder mask, are applied while keep a copper color. But there is note applying this step in place stage solder mask and may use CNC machine in this case. And then applying the drying stage of the transparent or use any matte color acrylic plastic coating is done using a hotter soldering tool or an oven.
Step 10. Printing silkscreen on board PCB. Applying the printing silkscreen on board PCB by printed machine.
Step 11. Set up layers and vias and drill is especially for Company PCB Manufacturers. Application setup layers and vias and drill and so on by Company PCB Manufacturers if there are layers stack. Applying the drill holes with the dimensions especially for home. This is NanoKit board. We know that various industries that need less technology for arrived at success in record time, and this NanoKit of Pro Amine development board is the perfect solution into success, both at the level project duration or competency, and which it carefully designed by Saoud as senior PCB layout designer, developer, and he is inventor of technology for the unification of microcontrollers. The companies that want to support this project or become partners in it, or companies that want to purchase a NanoKit S32 board. It is like Raspberry Pi or Arduino, but it's old school. If you are interested, just contact us.
Step 12. SMD-Stencil and assembly and soldering. Soldering a components. Place SMD-Stencil by is done using a soldering iron tool or an oven. When using soldering flux paste, noticed, we must clean by isopropyl alcohol where Pro Amine used water, just for let you what happened after then.
And then done with step 13, coating the PCBA with a layer of transparent clear coat. Applying the coating the PCBA with a layer of transparent clear coat scratch-resistant coat, similar to the coatings used on cars by spray gloss clear coat. And then applying the drying stage of the transparent clear coat PCB is done using a soldering iron tool or an oven.
جرب شوي جرب ورسم منها شوي عبان عاود ارجع.
He coated board by transparent coat, but we have to choose type transparent coat. This important. He wanted to test if water affects on it board antenna PCB or not, but gave us positive results. The goal is protect board PCB. Pro Amine advises companies that manufacture PCB boards to encapsulate the board with electronic components using a specially made transparent layer that is resistant to heat, corrosion, water, and electromagnetic pulses.
C'est bon.